we're going to do the anterior femur, and we're going to do the muscle test for that. So you bring it up, and if you can resist, and it goes weak, so we're going to do like we did the anterior humerus, and do softball, and find the restriction. Drop, and then do the retest. And it's now strong. Now the talus subluxates from anterior slightly lateral. We're going to do an alternate adjustment for that. So if I can have you flip over for me.
Nice.
And flip back over for me. And then we're going to do the big toe. And then next for the bunion, do 3 slip-offs. And from there, we're going to do the patella, which goes in 8 different directions. Okay, I felt the subluxation going southwest, I guess you could say. And adjust, and then just reassess. Much better. And then from there, we're going to do the hip. So I'm going to bring it up and out 45 with a little bit inversion. And if I can have you resist, it goes weak. Now we're going to check for an external subluxation or internal rotation. And then I'll try the opposite way. And this one's for an internal subluxation or external rotation. So I'm going to go back this way to adjust. And then we're going to retest. And resist. It's now strong. And from there, we're going to do wrist extension. If I can have you sit at the end of the table for me so I can show this. And then for wrist extension, you put, for the hip and knee, 50 to 70 pounds of pressure on your non-dominant hand, and then 10 to 15 on your speed hand, and then 10 to 15 on both the non-dominant and speed hand for the shoulder. And then do the flick, hold for 2 seconds, and then now we're going to do it on, we're going to assess the knee to see where we need to do it exactly at. Make sure it's in full extension. And it's going from lateral to medial, so if I can have you flip over for me. Hold for 2 seconds, and we're going to retest. I'm going to flip back over. Much better. And then we're going to retest the hip once more. So I'm going to bring it up, and if you can resist, it goes weak. So find head of the femur, find trochanter down, and if I'm having my and then the same amount of pressure as the knee, and we're going to retest. And it's now strong. And now we're going to do the anterior humerus by testing first, and resist, goes weak. Then you find the delt pec line, pull that in there. And if I can have you face that way for me. And this is 10 to 15 on both hands. and you hold, and then retest, and it is now strong. And that is it.